Hello, my name is Angie Romano from Sunshades Window Fashions. Today we're here in our Hunter Douglas Gallery showroom. We'd like to take the time today to show you how easy it is to do a virtual consultation. A time for change equals a time for innovation. Our decorators will help you set up the virtual tour through FaceTime, Skype, or any platform of your choice. Our decorators will take you through the showroom and show you the different products. For example, our motorization blinds, our Solera top down, bottom up. We've got our cordless shades, duet, top down, bottom up. We've got our Hunter Douglas banded shades, which are our trending, most popular product today. Our decorators will then take you through the sample books, as we have here, and show you all the different colors, fabrics, and textures to choose from. Once you've selected the products that we've gone through and the fabric choices with our decorators, you then need to measure your windows. Please watch our DIY how to measure your windows that's on our website that'll show you step by step how to send us the proper measurements. As a gallery dealer, we have what we call the Right Choice program. What does that mean to you? The Right Choice promise is your complete satisfaction. It's our promise. And thank you for watching our how-to video on virtual consultations.